Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to catch spike in the boom and crash market. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I will be sharing with you guys how this strategy work. Okay, so let me quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, then I will go into how the strategy works. Okay. Alright, so we are going to be clicking on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you are clicking on the main window plus icon here. Then you search for Ichimoku. So these are the properties for the Ichimoku. Alright, I'm not going to be pronouncing these names because I can't pronounce them. Okay, so you make this here 9. The second one here you make it 26. This third one here you make it 52. The fill, you are not to fill it up. Okay, so remove the fill. Right, then time frame, all time frame. The style, you make the first one here color red, the remaining one here you make it the color of your background. Okay, and you have to reduce the pixel to the last pixel, make it 1 pixel for each one of them. Okay, after that you click on done. All right, you are going to have this Ichimoku here on your main chart. All right, after that, the next indicator we have here is relative strength index, and we are going to be using it for our levels. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this main window plus icon again, then you search for relative strength index. So these are the properties for the relative strength index. Period is 1, apply to its close. Level, you have 15 and 85. The style, you make the color red, you make it 2 pixels. After that you click on done. All right, the time frame to all time frame. Under the style, you make it color black, which is the color of my background. Okay, so if yours is white, you make it white. After that you click on done. The next indicator we have here is Ichimoku. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon, then you search for your Ichimoku. All right, so these are the properties for this one. You make this 9. The third one here you make it 52. After that you remove the fill. All right, so those are the things you change. The rest thing is the same as the first one. All right, so let me change this color to black, which is the color of my background. After that you click on done. Right, so after doing everything, you are going to have a screen like this. Okay, sorry, I'm not supposed to remove that color, so let me add it back. All right, so this is how it is. Okay, so how does the strategy work? It's a very simple strategy to understand. So what you have to do here is that first of all, you are going to allow price to get to the oversold level, which is our 15 level. So once price is at the oversold level, you are going to make sure this red Ichimoku here touches this 15 level line here before you think of taking your entry. Okay, so now once it gets to that area, you are to wait for a spike, and once there is a spike, you are going to see that this red Ichimoku line is going to cross above this white line here you are seeing. Once it crosses above it, and you see also on the main chart the spike is above the red Ichimoku line, that is when you are to take your buy entry. All right, so immediately you see these two conditions being met, you have to go in for your buy entry immediately. So in this case, this is where we are to enter from. Immediately it spike and stop, you go in. Your stop loss is to be set below that area here, which is this area here. You set it below, and you have to hold till this red Ichimoku gets to the overbought level, which is around this area here. So once it gets to that area, you exit the market, and then you wait for the next opportunity to present itself. Right, so here is the next opportunity. You can see you apply the same method again. You wait for the spike to the red Ichimoku to cross above this. All right, and then you go in for your buy entry. Immediately it crosses above the Ichimoku red line on the main chart here, you go in for your buy and you hold till it gets to this overbought level. All right, so this strategy works on boon 1000, boon 500, crash 1000, and crash 500. Okay, so I've not tested it on crash and boon 300. Okay, so these are the ones, these four boom and crash are the ones I've tested it on, so those are the ones I recommend for you. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is to backtest the strategy, backtest it. Once you have confirmed that it's working for you, that is when you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so don't just take my words for it. Right, I'm not the market maker, so you don't just take my words. Make sure you do your own research before you can take the strategy and put it into use. Okay, so I think that is going to be all. So before I go, I want to quickly remind you guys again about the coming class, which I'll be hosting on the 5th of September. So if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, do check the description of this video to join the Telegram channel so that you don't miss the opportunity. Okay, and those of you that are just coming across my channel for the first time and you have not yet subscribed, please do make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so that is going to be all for this one. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.